Pass auf, Sniper ist fit.
Let's
Oder
get
Ritten.
a little bit closer.
Orders? Consider it done. What's the objective, Commander?
Den flicken wir zusammen.
Oh, you found me.
Oh.
I can watch him from over there. They won't spot me there.
Charge! I'm hit and fire! Fire!
Let's get a little bit closer. You'll be surprised.
Pass auf, der Kiwi ist schon gut.
Who needs my help?
I'm hit! Enemy spotted! Cover! Under fire! Yes,
Ja, du, ha?
that's our go! We're signed!
Oh, you found me.
Unten drüber sind's, gell? Die Panzer haben wir zurückgebombt in die Steinzeit.
They won't spot me there.
What's next? Go!
Haben wir da, Flanke sichern.
Sniper at your service. They won't spot me there. Surprise! Let's get a little bit closer.
Okay, Leute. Wie schaut denn aus? Ich glaube, da haben wir noch einen Tiger, oder? Der seine Kreise zieht. Warte mal. Schick mal den Aufklärer rein. Ist er fit?
Move it! Move on, comrades.
Aha, da hinten. Ein Bison. Könnte man. Aber, ob es was bringt, ist die andere Frage.
I see you. You don't see me.
Pass auf, der ist jetzt so erinnert. Da man da. Oh, Artillerie. Ja gut, heute mir eine da. Es hat gescheppert, gell, aber ob es was braucht hat, ist die andere Frage. Ja, pass auf. Sturmangriff.
Let's start!
Ein Bison muss überholen. Da mache ich wieder zum Problem.
Oh, you found me.
They hit me! Fire! Fire away! They hit me!
Wenn das.
Start the engine. God, they hit us hard.
Ah, sieh du drum, ha? Die schlecht gelaunten Nachbarn haben wir gleich.
Attack! Unhit! Attack!
I can watch him from over there. They
Scheiße,
won't spot me there.
blöde Sau.
Enemy spotted! Cover!
I can watch him from over there.
I'm hit! My men are excellent soldiers.
Oh,
Let's start!
Freunde, Deckung. Und der Tiger.
Let's start!
Der wütet dummert.
Under fire! Waiting for orders. Okay! sir.
Ja, Mann, wie schaut denn aus? Fahren wir wieder.
Advancing to waypoint.
Let's get a little bit closer. They won't spot me there.
I have to be cautious.
Ja, pass auf, nein, formieren.
I can watch him from over there.
I'm ready. Waiting for orders. What's the objective, Commander? Here we go again.
Engines ready.
So, schau mal, da hinten war doch irgendwo Infanterie, oder? Die kann die theoretisch wegbombardieren. Da muss ich mich nicht runterplagen. Ja, pass auf, die schwere Artillerie, die hilft schon. Zumindest gegen Infanterie. Oh, da war noch ein Bison. Feuer frei, Burm. Ja gut. Man hat doch nichts geholfen. Oh. Man, ich geb Nico da.
And go.
Deckung.
And you thought you were safe.
We're under attack. We're short of hell.
We're under fire.
Was ist da?
Yes. We'll get you. What's next? That's our go.
Ammo's almost gone.
Moment.
Advancing to waypoint.
Snapper at your service.
Mein Gott,
I
jeder
can watch him
Yamato.
from over there.
Wie schaut du aus? Ah, ich sehe schon, der Bomber hat nichts gebraucht. Er hat das Problem da hinten, ha?
Start the engine.
Tu es mal beseitigen. Dann haben wir es hinter uns.
Eliminate them. They're attacking us. Pardon? We're on the move.
Ja, pass auf, es mangelt an Munition da vorne.
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
I see you. You don't see me. I'm looking for a new hideout. They won't spot me there.
Okay. Here we go again.
What's up?
Pass auf, wie schaut denn aus? Der Tiger, gell?
I see you.
Der ist immer noch unterwegs.
Me. They won't spot me there.
And go. Engines ready.
Snapper at your service. I can watch him from over there. I'm looking for a new hideout.
And go.
Everything's going according to plan.
Pass auf, der Wilson an die Front.
Kein Feind.
Was sagt er?
What's next? Yes, sir.
Er scheppert.
Under fire!
Wer? Da drüben?
My men are excellent soldiers.
Es könnte...
God, they hit
Ja,
us
der Bison,
hard.
gell? Die dumme Sau.
Let's drive. Someone's shooting at us.
Let's get a little bit closer.
Someone's shooting at us. Fire!
Oh Gott,
Let's
der Meister.
get a little bit closer.
Scheiße.
Snapper at your service.
Jetzt muss ich erst einmal... Ja, da rumsäubern.
I can watch him from over there. They won't spot me there.
Ja, pass auf, Burm.
We're on the move.
Okay.
In Stellung.
Let's start.
Seht ihr hinten? Ja gut, scheiß auf die. Die braucht eh keiner. Also, oh Gott.
We're in front of. Go. Under fire. Who is it over there? We're under attack. Let's move.
Und Rückzug.
Go.
I see you. You don't see me.
We're under attack.
Wer? Also,
Yes. On my way. Engines ready. We're on the move. We're on the move.
Snapper at your service. I can watch him from over there. I can watch him from over there. I see you.
was
You
rum, ja?
don't see me.
And fire!
Das Gesindel da drum, ha? Ja gut, das war's mal nicht.
I see you. You don't see me.
Who needs my help?
What's the
Ja,
order?
pass auf, du schleichst einmal.
Go!
Und dann werde ich mal da umbredeln. Ja gut, der Bomber bringt nichts für, gell? Zumindest nichts gegen Fahrzeuge.
What's the objective, Commander?
Ja, pass auf, er kann eigentlich
Advancing to waypoint.
da schießen, gell?
Oh, you found me. They won't spot me there.
Ja, pass auf, der sitzt da drin, oder?
Let's get a little bit closer. I'm looking for a new hideout.
Okay, Sniper. Den Feind
They won't
lokalisieren.
spot me there. Let's get a little bit closer. They won't spot me there. I'm looking for a new hideout. I can watch him from over there. Let's get a little bit
Ja
closer.
gut. So ist er.
They won't spot me there.
Pardon?
Dann werde ich mal.
Understood.
Werde ich bombardieren. Da so mehr. Ja, Rabauke. Hat das Haus abgerissen. Der sitzt schon. Aha. Sie rasen schon, gell? Panzer festhalten. Da kommen sie.
Okay. And go. Attack!
Sniper at your service.
Sniper-Deckung.
Who's injured?
Fire at will! Let's drive. Under fire! We're under attack!
Who's injured?
Give them hell! We're inside! So, how are we getting on? Start the engine. We're under attack.
Waiting for orders. That's a go. That's a go.
Pass auf. Wie schaut denn aus? Er hat demoliert.
What's next? Order confirmed.
What's your orders, Commander?
I'm looking for a new hideout.